think that steak looks pretty good. Nice. Right, so we were being all stealthy and then all of a sudden Drew whips out his sparklers. Good evening. Tonight we are camping on the Great Orme, on a ledge, and I'll show you the view first. There you go. Beautiful. Lovely view. It's going to be even better when it gets darker. So yeah, I'm not alone. I am with Caveman Ogof again. Say hello. Hi guys. Okay. He's got his Swedish, let's say head torch then. The Swedish torch on the go, and he's going to cook us up some nice grub. Some sweet corn on the cob, sweet potatoes, and steak, was it? Sirloin? Yeah, sirloin steak. There we go. Just getting treated. I've got
asparagus, don't forget.
Yeah, and asparagus. I bought some adventure food pouch again. Chicken curry, load of rubbish. Right, see you in a bit, guys. Try and get fire going with pine cones. Let's give it a go, innit?
That's good, fine.
Yeah, mate. Proper feast, mate.
We need tongues. Who's got tongues?
Both of us.
They cook quickly, didn't they?
We will do on that, mate.
Right, I think we're ready for the steak.
Yeah.
I think we're ready for the steak.
Drew's raising the steaks.
Caveman food.
Caveman.
Oh yes, baby.
Caveman food from the caveman himself.
So did you want it? What was it? Blue, pink, medium rare?
Medium rare would be nice.
Medium rare, what was it? How does it work?
Medium rare. Ooh, nice. Look at that.
I think, you know what?
Look at that beauty.
I think 5 minutes to do that. No, less than that.
Well, I think that steak looks pretty good. Nice. Lovely bit of red, supplied by Drew. Smoke! Whoa, right in the firing line here.
Cheers.
Oh, right.
Smoke loves us tonight.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice little bit of what's it on there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's lovely. Ooh, that is nice. Steak and wine.
Steak and wine.
Might be a Weber's breakfast and a pint in the morning, though, mightn't it? Same thing. 'Cause we haven't bought any breakfast, have we? All that food we had, all the steak and asparagus and sweet potato and corn on the cob, didn't we? Mushrooms, onions, salad, amazing. But we both forgot breakfast, didn't we?
That's it. Yes. And yeah, it was actually the steak was really good. The campfire, you cannot beat a campfire steak.
No.
It has to be obviously with
Bottle of Bordeaux.
oh
Yeah.
yes, I forgot about that. Red wine Bordeaux. Mwah.
Yeah.
Garlic butter. That's what it
That
is.
was it,
Garlic
yeah. Yeah, it did make it,
butter
yeah.
is what it makes. It just,
With
steak
all the
butter
mushrooms in it. Yeah, it was
and
amazing.
mushrooms. Oh
Asparagus,
yeah, I always
probably best
forget.
asparagus I've ever had that. It's really good, like, yeah, really nice.
Good meal, and as Dave was just saying, we were thinking about what we're going to do tomorrow morning.
If
Could
we
be
survive the night,
if we. Oh, that's true. If we survive the night,
if it pisses down, we'll end up in that cave over there with all the goats.
it could
If it pisses
rain.
down, yeah.
Goats, that could be a thing as well. We are aware that's a lot of goats around.
Because we were originally going to sleep in a cave that's just behind us, but it just stinks of goat poo and goat wee, piss and shit basically. It just stinks, really smells, and we just thought, you know what, let's just have a comfortable night and just sleep on this ledge overlooking Llandudno, and the views are amazing. And every time we look out, you see something different every time. We'll just sleep here, like, and unless it rains, because we haven't bought a top, we've just got a bivvy bag each. If it rains, then we might head under a ledge under there. I thought I seen a goat then.
Really?
Yeah, something white was over there, which is not a good sign just before Halloween. So you had a good night, Adrian?
Yeah, it's been a great evening.
Yeah.
Like we were saying
It's your
earlier.
first camp in years, isn't it?
Oh yes, that's it. I haven't come down for a long time, to be honest. This is definitely my first camp on the Orme.
Yeah.
So we were being all stealthy, and then all of a sudden Drew whips out his sparklers. And he's got his little TNT thing there as well. Right, it's been a few hours. We just chilling out, drinking beers, eating steaks, asparagus. Absolute amazing feast by Drew. Been enjoying it rather than filming, so we're gonna probably call it a night. It's about 11:30 now. We're gonna have probably another beer and then head to our beds. So unless anything drastic happens, like loads of goats appear in that cave behind us, because we have just heard some, then we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Oh, you're not in
I
there?
tried to get in.
Right, that's us in our bivvies, ready to go to sleep. So see, unless anything happens in the night, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Night, Drew.
Master. You can see me.
We're not in the same bed. Good night. Good morning. Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Drew's sounds like he's had a good care. It wasn't too bad actually. It was a little bit blustery at times, but it was quite a good night's sleep. Didn't need a top or anything. There was no rain in the end.
We
was
really lucked out. There was no rain
Yeah.
at all, not one spit.
No. Actually, I think there was. I think I did feel a bit of rain at one point. Yeah. But it was literally that.
That was just me.
Either that or
Just me.
someone's up the tree spitting on me. Yeah. But yeah. So anyway, it was a good one. It was really nice and nice. A few beers and wine, steak, a lot. It was great.
Nice steak.
Yeah, lovely. Thanks, Drew. Right, anyway, till next time. See you later. It's Drew.